Eka wadwage gwenge Kimakaluwe kaunti nogo ma Migori twedo ni jatend kweth mathoth e od bura mamalo mabende ni jaod bura nendo ma Kikuyu Migosi Kimani Ichung'wa koro dwaro mar mondo migawo mar somo ket lai makare mar rwako jopuonjre e sikunde ma pacho kaendi kaluwore ni sikunde moko koro gi kinde ni endi dong gunda kaluwore koda kwan manok mag jopuonjre mabende koro dong'ie. Ka utwake kar chung' od bura nendo ma Uriri e kaunti ma Migori, Kimani Ichung'wa lero ni kaka irwako jopuonjre e sikunde nyaka koro nona kama bende odwaro mar mondo mi wach mar uniforms minyiewe sikunde koro gi kinde ni endi weruo godo ka olero ni jopuonj madongo oloko sikunde kar ohala mabende koro gidwaro mar mondo mi unyiewe uniforms kar mondo mi giwe jonyuol nyiew uniforms e kuonde goeko mabende ginyalo yudo kaluwore kod omenda mathoth ma sikunde ma kamago eko kawo wach mosire koda moko kuom jotelo mowuok e gwenge makono.
Our governor, what in making more, depend on your pension in Nani Botiu, Ningan Botiu, talking Mogero on the gun. Go father, some man of Pedro Command. But we have asked the Ministry of Education through our committee in Parliament to come up with a policy to ensure that no secondary school in Kenya is closed down because of lack of students. They must have quotas and limit the number of students who will be admitted to those big schools, so that even our small schools also have students, but to also make sure that the level of education in a small school is the same as that level of education in another school. There is absolutely no reason why a child would go to grade 1 up to grade 6 in one uniform, in one school, the same primary school. Then because they have been told they are now moving to grade 6, grade 7, JSS, they are being asked to buy a new uniform. We want a policy where uniform in primary school and JSS is the same uniform. Mtoto akiingia grade 1 asome na hiyo uniform yake mpaka amalize grade 9. Akienda JSS, wacha avalishwe tie ama avae badge kwa kifua ya kubainisha yeye ni mtoto wa JSS. Lakini wazazi wasijebeshwe mzigo ya kununua uniform. Our head teachers must focus and concentrate on their core duty in school, educating and mentoring children. Schools must not become uniform shops. Wakataze mashule kuuza uniform kwa shule, ili mwalimu azingatie kuelimisha watoto na kuwatunza kuwa better citizens tomorrow. Biashara ya kuuza uniform wacha ifanywe na yule mama tailor hapa kwa soko. Auze uniform auzie mzazi ile bei inafaa. Lakini sio iwe ati shule sasa mashule yetu yote imefanywa ni masoko ya uniform. Unapata shule moja uniform inauzwa 38,000. Ingine sijui 20,000. Na ni ile kaptura ile kinyasa tu nilivaa nikiwa Raya Sudua na Ochilo ya